I'm so excited to take you on a Christmas luxury shopping vlog. We are inside Louis Vuitton right now, so they have so many beautiful boots and shoes, and it's just so beautiful. I might come back to Louis Vuitton afterwards. There's some of their classics, but look how festive this is. Oh my gosh, there's Gucci. It's in the title, so you guys know before me where we're going, but look at this. These look like little paws. If you're into paws and art, it looks like little paws companions, but that's not what this is. It's so cute. Ooh. And you guys know I have a dog. Look at that. I actually have this exact dog coat for him in black. So cute. So where am I going to take you next? Let's find out. Ooh, I might take you to Dior.
10 seconds later.
The next store we're going to go to is Dior, and look at their beautiful entrance. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. I love all the star detail. It's so beautiful. Their classic bar jackets. This trench coat is unbelievable. And I'm going to start at the back where they have the ready-to-wear. And then I'm going to take you into this section over here. Okay, so look at this Dior trench coat. I absolutely love it. You can find so many great Dior trench coats vintage for such a great price. They really make beautiful, beautiful trenches. This gorgeous dress over here. They've got quite a bit of ready-to-wear. This top over here is what that girl was wearing in my video, what everyone's wearing in Paris. She had that great outfit at Hermes with those Hermes boots and her little mini, what was it, the mini Kelly? She was wearing this top. She looked amazing in it. And this must be from their cruise collection. Let's see if we can film in the main part because I really want to do that. So many princessy colors. Ooh, I love this lemon yellow color over here. Really, really pretty. And then look how gorgeous that is. This is so pretty. I love this. This is so cute. Very tiny. Really pretty. I really like their belts as well. I feel like the lighting might not be the best over here, but here's the Montaigne bag, very bright, so I assume this is for a cruise. I really do like this lemony yellow color, it's very pretty. This taupey color, gorgeous. This is so pretty. Look at that. I just love that. I always love these fabric Lady Diors. The Lady Dior is such a structured, like, serious bag, right? And I feel like in the fabric, it just makes it so much more casual, so much more wearable, and I love them. this, it would be my favorite if I were to get one. I think I'd want to get one of these D-Light fabric bags because I just think they're so beautiful. And then the beautiful saddle. I do like it in the shearling. It's very pretty. Pink color. Got the Booktote. And then these gorgeous nudie pink colors. Really, really, really pretty. And then we have some of the Dior fine jewelry over here. So pretty. Imagine a whole stack of the Dior fine jewelry. It's absolutely gorgeous. We've got some brooches over here. The Dior jewelry, I know I always tell you this, but it's just my favorite. It's so gorgeous. I love their chokers. Ooh, the headbands, which I love. The necklaces. So gorgeous. We also have the alphabet and the tribals, which are so pretty. I think I'm going to end the video here, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so I am at Valentino, and I came to show you the new platform shoes. So, what do we think of these? It's that strap around the ankle that is just so pretty. These are very like right now, but I feel like they're gonna be very dated in a year or so. You know what I mean? Especially if they become uber popular. Let's see if I can go inside here. I'm gonna have to wait 1 minute, but first of all, wow, really pretty. This Valentino is gorgeous. I'm just gonna wait for them to come so I can show you guys everything up close. But look at those boots. I love the little rain boots. They've got like the little camellias on them. They look very Chanel, but yes, let me take you guys inside. Okay, so I can't wait to show you everything. So first of all, look at the big Roman studs. So they're calling this Roman studs, the big ones, versus the rock studs were the little ones. Let's start with this jewelry. Really, you know, for a while it wasn't on my radar, Valentino, but they've got a nice collection here. I'm really loving jewelry lately in general, so really beautiful colors. I've always liked this bag. It's such a versatile bag. It's a nice flat bag. I love the turn lock. But it's definitely very statement, which really isn't, I don't know. Yeah, definitely not a bag I would ever get, but I really appreciate it and I love it on other people. I love all of these colors though. They're amazing. They're so pretty, especially this beautiful pink. It's gorgeous, and I love this muted blue. Gold hardware, stunning. Beautiful belt. Ooh, look at this with the hammered gold. I love that. That makes it so shiny. Let me show you. Beautiful blue. Love that. And then the little mini one. Really like that. And then this one here has the little pyramid studs. And let me know if you prefer the little baby ones or the big ones. Now, these rain boots with the camellias, I like how they have a little bit of a platform on them. We've got this one here, classic black and white. Let me know what you think of this with the quilting. It's got that diamond quilting. This is the all black matte one, which is very cool, more understated. And then, yeah, I do like the big puffy quilts. It's very fun, right? And over here we've got my favorite one so far, not this one, but this one over here. I just think it's so pretty, this crochet, and it's got the hammered metal again. I really like that hammered metal. It just makes it so sparkly. And yeah, just something about this fabric. I've really been loving these like tweed fabric boucle bags, and this one with the crochet is so pretty. I really like that. And this over here is python. Again, it's got that hammered metal for the turn lock. We've got the shorter rain boots with the camellia. We've got the little Valentino logo there. Gorgeous poudre color, the top handle bag. This little one over here, so pretty. And then we have another little crochet bag, but different. We see the difference between the two. So this one just kind of has that quilting on it, versus this one, it's got these like pom-poms, and I really like this. You see, this would be something I would love to have. Versus the classic ones, this one is so special. It looks so unique, and I love this. This is really cool. Really like that one a lot. And then over here, they've got their take on the clutches. I'm gonna go close up to that so you can see it in a second. It almost looks like little crystals, but they're studs. They're not crystals. And let me know what you guys think of that. They've got the little one that comes with a strap. This one here with little perforations. And then let me show you these little crystal ones over here. And what do we think of these boots over here? I was just told I can't film, so I'm probably gonna go soon. And we're gonna end it over here. Dior Valentino, so let me take you to the next place. So I am inside Celine, and I'm gonna do a walkthrough so I can show you everything. I love this new bag by Celine. Look at this one. Very, very chic, very cool. So, oh, I love this. I just love this tan color, it's so pretty. Such a gorgeous bag. And I feel like this style really holds a lot. Really, really pretty. I love that. And then the Triomphe bag, and this pretty fabric material. Really love this. The colorways on it is beautiful. Another little baby Triomphe bag. This one with the short handle. Now this one's like an adjustable handle, which is very cool. I usually don't like orange, but I really like it in this. I think it's really, really pretty. And yeah, Celine is such a beautiful, beautiful brand. There's the cream tones. They have this gorgeous nude. They have the little nano mini luggage. So pretty. This is the micro size. Then we have my favorite bag, which is the box bag. This is in their Barenia leather. So they do have this tan color in a more smooth leather like this, but this over here is the untreated leather. That's why you can kind of see how there's some scratches, and this is going to get darker over time. It's going to patina. Some people really like that, but I do prefer just the, you know, treated one. I think it's a little bit more durable. And then there's these big bags. I love the turn lock on these. Very pretty. Again, they've got the one with the fabric. And I do really like these top handle bags. I think this is lizard over here. Let me take this to the mirror. Yeah, this bag is so pretty. It's a nice size. It also has a shoulder strap, so you can wear it crossbody. And yeah, I really like this. Ooh, and I like this cute little one over here. Really, really pretty. And then I always say that hands down, my favorite tote is this one, the Phantom tote. I think it's a good price point, and it's just so chic, so elegant. I love this cream color. It comes in so many different colors. And then there is the belt bags, which I love. It's pretty like burgundy oxblood color. This gray color over here. And let me take this to the mirror. And you know, it's funny, I didn't even notice this one. It's kind of got like a denim effect look, but it's just a tweed fabric material. And yeah, I love this bag. I think it looks great crossbody. It's such a chic bag, and it's just such a timeless piece. I like the way it hangs when you're wearing it crossbody, how it hangs on the body because of where the strap placement is. It holds a lot, and this is the pebbled leather, so super durable. I really like it. So I'm gonna end this portion of the video here, and I'm gonna take you to the next store. Okay, so inside Bottega. Wow, so this location, this is in Yorkdale. Haven't been to this location before. This is definitely a newer Bottega, and it's absolutely stunning. Look at all of these boots, so gorgeous. I really love these tire boots. I think they're so cool. Of course, you can definitely get a dupe from other brands, but these Bottega ones are so cool. There's the high ones, this one over here. And then look at these little sparkly guys over here. What do we think of these? And these. But now I want to show you guys the flat cassette bag. Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So I love this flat cassette bag, and I love the new detailing on it. Absolutely beautiful. So this is just the classic one over here. And this one, stunning. So I don't know about you, but I just feel like this is such a game changer. It changes up the bag completely. Always love a good crossbody bag. I love the way where it hangs. It's also adjustable, so you can change that up. And I do definitely prefer the puffier cassette bag, the puffy one, but this is really neat. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think that's really, really pretty. And yeah, there's so much more to show you guys. So beautiful. Got the little croc shoes going on over here. Love these over here. They're so chic. Let me see. I don't like this color. Not for me. But the bag I love. I love the little knot detail. I really like it in the blue. Very pretty. And then these little pouches. Ooh, I love these belts. These are gorgeous. I love that belt over here. This one in the center. Really pretty. These colors are they remind me of the 70s. Very much so, I think. These beautiful boots. Yeah, this Bottega is so pretty. They have everything here. Gorgeous red color. I really love reds, like true real reds. Beautiful. Some Bottega jewelry. Acrylic earrings. And I just love this yellow color. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's sunglasses, which are very cool. Very neat. And then let me just give you a little close-up of these bags over here. It's funny, I don't see the little mini Jodie, and that's my favorite bag. It's also such a good price point. I'm sure they have it, it's just not on display. But that is definitely my favorite bag. This is very festive over here. Really, really pretty. All right, that is it for Bottega. Some more jewelry, and let's go to the next store.